I'm Mark Wager. I'm from Richmond, Kentucky. I think 4 or 5 years. Oh, tremendously. I was looking at just charts only at times, and sometimes they fail. Sometimes I look at fundamentals. I look at both now, and just have a great deal of success with Trader's Edge. This is the third one I've been to, and I've picked something up at each one of them. It makes it worth the money, and plus, I really love the Wednesday night mixers ahead of all of the events where we get to meet with each other and swap stories and stuff. Some of the nuances, I guess, like Mike was the first one to introduce me to ratioing the trades from the puts and the weeklies, and so you can and how you can he equates it to like a dial you can tune to turn up or down the risk. You can kind of set the risk on whatever you're comfortable with. And then of course, once a month or so, Stella takes her turn at the MMP and learn about seasonal trades. I've taken a lot of the emotion out of it, the hopes and wishes and stuff, and been more of a, does this make sense? I would strongly recommend them both, because I might be a little biased because I won the MIT award last year, and this year I was second runner-up on Sam. So they're both those are both very good programs, very, very knowledgeable.